Ever pondered how you grasp information best? Is it by viewing diagrams, listening to a lecture, or diving right into hands-on practice? These questions are at the core of understanding learning styles. The concept of learning styles is rooted in the observation that people have unique ways of collecting and processing information. The three most commonly cited learning styles are kinesthetic, visual, and auditory. Kinesthetic learners, sometimes referred to as tactile learners, acquire knowledge best through physical experiences. They thrive in environments where they can move, touch, and do. They might excel in laboratory settings, build models, or engage in role play to grasp new concepts. To improve their learning, kinesthetic learners can incorporate more hands-on activities into their study sessions. For instance, using flashcards can make studying a more physical activity. Visual learners, on the other hand, benefit from seeing information. They prefer diagrams, charts, and pictures over spoken or written explanations. For these learners, turning notes into diagrams or using color-coded notes can be particularly beneficial. They might find that watching educational videos or demonstrations helps them understand new information more thoroughly. Scene script. Auditory learners excel when information is presented to them audibly. They prefer listening to lectures, participating in group discussions, or utilizing mnemonic devices with rhythms and sounds. To enhance their learning, auditory learners might listen to recorded lectures or turn their notes into a song. While these three learning styles are commonly recognized, there are other theories that propose additional categories. For example, the VARK model adds a fourth category: reading/writing learners. These individuals prefer to learn through written words and often excel in traditional school settings where note-taking and reading assignments are prevalent. Moreover, it's essential to recognize that learning styles aren't mutually exclusive. Many people fall into multiple categories, indicating that they use a combination of different styles to learn effectively. For instance, someone might be a visual kinesthetic learner who needs to see a demonstration and then practice it themselves to fully understand a new concept. In conclusion, learning styles offer a framework for understanding how people learn best. They include kinesthetic, visual, and auditory styles, with some theories proposing additional categories such as reading/writing. Each style has unique benefits and strategies for improvement, and many people use a combination of styles for optimal learning. However, it's crucial to remember that learning styles are just one piece of the puzzle. Everyone's learning journey is unique, and what works best for one person might not work as well for another. So whether you're a kinesthetic learner who thrives on hands-on activities, a visual learner who prefers diagrams and charts, or an auditory learner who learns best through listening, the key is to find what works best for you and embrace it. After all, understanding your personal learning style can be a powerful tool for lifelong learning.